Alright, what is up, guys? Today's a trade recap of today's trades. I took two trades and I lost both of them. I lost both of them. I did not stream in the morning, but I am down about $320 on the day on one of my 50Ks. And then, wow, this is actually fucking ridiculous. I'm just on a losing streak on my 100K. Risking a little bit heavier overall. Down about $651 on the day, and I ended up locking myself out here. So I think I have maybe like a little less than 1,000 left of drawdown. Let me see. 97,344.40. Oh wait, hold on, I did math. Hold on, 98. 086. 10 minus 9. 7, 3, 4. I have about like 800 or I have about like $700 left to draw down before I blow this account, and this is unfunded too. So at the same time, I'm not really worried about it because I have the other funded, which is fine. But yeah, let's get started. Today was a rough day. Honestly, it was a really rough day in the morning. I got chopped up. So let's get started. Show the chart executions. All right. This show the first trade, or my bias was bullish, by the way. I'm not gonna show all that shit, but my bias was bullish, so therefore I was looking for longs, and as you can tell, longs played out. I just got chopped up in the morning, to be honest. So let's go here. So going to the day, bullish, right? I was waiting for 10 a.m. because it was just very. I was like, it could have been either bullish or bearish, and I was bullish after 10 a.m. So we went bullish, right? So I was bullish after 10 a.m. That's when I woke. That's when I started to look for trades. We were just consolidating here. So then, pretty much what happened here was, if you look at ES here, I think, yeah, right here, perfect. So as you can tell, at the time, oh yeah, so right here, so this low right here on ES over here, this is a low. The same time, same candle. A low was created on ES, but on NQ, it was not. So we had SMT here between ES and NQ, right? So then what am I doing? I'm waiting for a bullish gap. So after that SMT divergence, I'm waiting for a bullish gap. And pretty much I entered at EQ of this range. I kind of marketed. I did not limit because I had to switch back over accounts. So I marketed around this area, 66 level. Yeah, I got filled like right here, it looks like right here, and my stop loss was here, right? And obviously I was targeting higher prices as my hourly draw liquidity was higher, so I wanted to target like 5-minute liquidity, all this shit, right? So after that, we had a nice rejection off this gap, right? Nice rejection off this gap, right? We had a 15-second gap here, nice displacement, nice gap. We ended up pushing up towards the upside, taking out this 1-minute draw on liquidity. Let me get rid of the preferences real quick. Let me get rid of the chart executions. We ended up entering, tagging here, and then we ended up taking out this 1-minute draw. If my draw liquidity is higher, this 1-minute draw is not going to do much. Honestly, it's not going to do much, right? So boom, we sweep, and then I guess we did do a lot. We ended up stopping me out. I should have gone break even, honestly, after this trade, because the high was swept. But at the same time, my draw liquidity was higher, so I wasn't too concerned. But yeah, got stopped out here. Should have gone break even, but it's fine. That was a very good trade. I was pretty confident in this trade. So yeah, after that, same thing, right? Price is here, consolidating, not much what I want to see yet. So then here is when I entered my second position. Same thing, right? On NQ, it was a low right here. And on ES, it was not a low, right? So then I'm like, okay, this looks even better. This is also very good, right? SMT, we have a discorrelation between the assets. Dropped into the 15-second time chart, same thing. Nice displacement, broke structure, whatever, right? 2022 model, whatever, right? With fair value gap here, and this is where I entered at this fair value gap at 62. My stop loss here at this protected SMT, and I was looking to target higher prices. And as you can tell, we got stopped out, and we ended up just dumping, and then we ended up pushing higher. So I just got chopped up this morning, and looking back at it, those were trades that I would taken and have been taking. So I'm not really mad about it. I'm just very I'm like, fuck, like, very tough day. I'm not gonna blame it on the markets. I'm just gonna blame it on me, I guess. Perhaps, I don't know. I feel like I took good trades. My drawn liquidity was right. We just ended up pushing lower before doing that. Let me know if you guys have any comments. Let me know if you guys have any suggestions. I don't want to hear that bullshit of, oh, stay out of the 15 second. I don't want to hear that bullshit because it works. So, well, obviously not. Well, obviously it does work, but someone's gonna be like, oh, obviously not. It's not gonna fucking work. Like, you fucking lost today. And I'm like, bro, shut the fuck up, bro. But yeah. Not too much here. Took some losses today. I plan on buying like 5 my funded futures and like 5 top steps, just to max allocate them because I know I can pass them. I just got to take A plus setups. So, but yeah, other than that, guys, took a loss today. Unfortunately, 2 losses. But other than that, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all tomorrow.